Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video we are going to be doing a hair tutorial, and this hair tutorial is just my signature double flat twist hairstyle. So my hair is freshly washed because doing my hair without it being washed is just such a hassle. So I freshly washed, detangled it, and applied a little bit of leave-in conditioner and also some oil into it, and I just applied it in 3 flat twists. So, or not flat twists, I'm sorry, 3 loose twists, so the front half, the middle half, and the back half, and then I am just unraveling all of that to make sure everything is kind of separated and kind of still detangled, because I did wear a bonnet last night, so it still should be pretty fine, but I'm making sure that everything is nice and separated and everything, just to prepare my hair for the flat twist. And next I'm going to go in with, after I'm looking crazy, I'm going to go in with a rat tail I can't talk, a rat tail comb to go down the middle of my head and just kind of create a semi-straight line. Now the back of my head, I never worry too much because I don't really know and I can't see back there, so I don't really care too much about it, but when you see at the end, you'll be like, girl, you could have fixed that, but I literally didn't know. So just draw your line down the middle of your head as best as you can. Don't really care too much, but as best as you can. And then I'm going to use some of this gel. This is an Moroccan argan oil gel. I forget the brand, but I'll have it listed down below. But I'm putting that on my edges because in order for my edges to lay really well, I have to go in with gel first. So I lay the gel down and then I brush it back. I don't apply too much because I don't like a lot of gel in my hair. Plus I do my hair pretty much every day that I film, so I try to keep the buildup as low as possible. And then I'm going to start to flat twist. So I first start by taking just the first like 16th of the front of my hair, take those two and then start to flat twist it down my head, but I'm also making sure I grab hair from the back half and grab it into the front, if that makes any sense. If you don't know how to flat twist, you should definitely look up a video on how to flat twist, or just try to watch what I do and emulate it and try to keep that going. I don't know when I actually learned how to flat twist, but it kind of just happened. So I definitely recommend you definitely try either to do it or just trial and error or to look up videos. But I'm also going to make sure that I pin that hair back. So I take 2 banana clips and pin that hair back, because if I don't pin it and I just leave it loose, the twist will start to loosen and I don't want that to happen. So I just take 2 of them, make sure it's nice and secure to my head, and then repeat the same steps on the other side with the gel, the brush, and also flat twisting down the side of my head. And this side of my head is a little bit more difficult, so because I want to naturally go right over left, so I want to flat twist towards my eyes as opposed to towards my hand, my back hand. So I really have to concentrate on this hand. It took me a couple of tries to get it to go the right way because, as I mentioned, I wanted to flat twist it the way that it naturally would go. But anyways, doing the same steps, making sure that I pull all that hair from the back, because you don't want any of that hair to be loose or fluffy or anything. You want it to be tight to the flat twist, and just go ahead and flat twist it all the way down to the very tip, and then we're going to bobby pin it together. So now I'm going to take a bobby pin. I'm going to take actually 2, and I'm going to tuck this tail underneath of the other twist and use 2 bobby pins to secure it, because 2 works, 1 does not. And then I'm going to do the same thing and just tuck that underneath as well, so that way it's kind of concealed, so it kind of looks like a continuous twist all the way around and not just 2 different twists created and separated. So you want it to look cohesive all the way around. Now we're using the Crown Me edges. This is the Enthroned edge control. It is black owned. I found this on Facebook actually. It was like an ad, and I was like, this edge control looks like it would work really well. So I'm using that and this like edge control brush and comb that I got from Amazon. I got like a pack of 2 for like, I don't know, maybe like $4 or $5 or something like that. But the Enthroned edge control was only about $12, so very inexpensive, and it's my favorite edge control. It's what I've been using like for the last week or two. No, actually 3 weeks. I've been using it for the last 3 weeks. I don't even pick up any other edge control. It works really well, and if you secure your hair at night, this edge control will last for, it says that it can last for up to a week, but I wash my face and I get my face all wet, so it goes away every day for me because I get my hair wet. But if you were to secure it with a scarf like I'm doing right now and sleep with it, it will stay in place and it will look really good. So like I said, securing my headscarf so that way while I do my makeup, my edges are set, and then after that I am done. That is the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. Like you can see, my my back of my head is crooked, but if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye.